All right, let's look at the 7.1, 7.2, problem number 10. All right, so we have this equation of a sphere, and we want to find its center and the radius. All right, so let's do that. All right, so first thing I would do is I'm going to divide through by 9. So this is going to be, all right, we're going to divide everyone by 9. All right. That way we'll get x squared plus y squared plus, right, z squared, right, minus, right, so 54 divided by 9 would be 6 x plus 36 divided by 9 would be 4 y. Alright, and then 92 divided by 9, so that's not very pretty, but this is 92 over 9. Alright, so we have that. Then the right hand side is of course still 0. Alright, so first thing, another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna group all the x's together, y's together, and the z's together, and also I'm gonna actually put this term right here, the constant term right here, right, over to the other side. Alright, so let's do that. So I'm gonna just simply subtract 92 over 9. Alright, then all the x's together, so you have x squared minus 6x. Alright, then I'm gonna give a little bit of room here. And then we have y squared plus 4y, and a little bit of room here, and the z squared is by itself. Then you would have negative 92 over 9. Alright, then we have to think about what number we need to complete the square. So we always take this number, right? Then first thing is divide it by 2, right? So we're going to divide it by 2. Then after that you square it. So negative 6 divided by 2, then that's negative 3. Square that, you're going to get positive 9. So we would need a plus 9 here. So if you add 9 to the left hand side, we have to do the same thing to this side too. So plus 9. Alright, so maybe I can write it as 81 over 9. That's the same thing as 9, right? So I'm just taking a common denominator. Alright, so same thing. So if you take 4 and divide it by 2, right? So we're dividing this guy by 2, then square that. Alright, so you're gonna get let's see, by 2 is 2, square that, so we need 4. So we add 4 to the left hand side, so we're going to have to add 4 here. So 4 times 9 is 36 over 9, which is the same thing as adding 4. Alright, then we just need to clean up a little bit. So you see that this is going to give you, alright, so this is going to be x, right? This is going to be always 1/2 of this number. Maybe I'll just write that. Right, so it's going to be 1/2 of -6 would be -3. So x minus 3 squared plus y squared. Oh, sorry, y plus, oops, y plus 2 squared plus z squared is equal to, all right, so what's this? So if you add 81 and 36, you're going to get 117, right? 117 minus 92 would be 20, let's see, 25. So 25 over 9, right? Which is the same thing as 5/3 squared, right? So you can see that here, therefore, the center right? So center is going to be center. It's going to be so it's going to be +3, -2, and 0. And the radius. Oops. I can't spell radius. Radius is going to be 5/3. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so the point was, I think that was 3, oops, 3, comma, -2, comma, 0. And radius came out to be 5/3. Alright, so let's check the answer. Right, so go down here and submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one, these center and the radius correctly. Right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.